Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit, showcasing one of our trade line postings for this month. We have a Citibank authorized user posted January 25th. We currently have over 400 trade lines posting on a daily basis. We like to show these videos a couple times a month to show you that our trade lines are still posting. Citibank limit is $200, low limit. It's about 3 years old, perfect pay history. Authorized user. Keep in mind, this went on a CPN, so we still got a good score on here. We still got a 700 credit score. So, on a blank CPN, you tend to get a good score. These trade lines, no matter what the years, tend to get a good score on a blank CPN. When putting them on a social, you want to be a little more leery, a little more careful, because you have a lot of accounts. You might not get this kind of boost here. But again, we do free consulting on all of our trade lines. If you have a question about your profile, on how a trade line can help you, we can review your profile for free, totally free, and go over and let you know how it can help you. You can get on the trade line list at tradelines.biz. Call us 202-213-2218 for free information, totally free review. We're still doing the credit repair, the CPN apartment packages, and we're still doing business trade lines now. Again, call us for details, for free information. Thank you. Have a great day.